to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. No decision on passes for vehicles coming to Goa with essential commodities and passenger vehicles. Sudin says Goa will not feel the pinch. Interstate buses and commodity transport to be blocked outside Goa from 12th night. BJP National Executive meeting in Goa from 7 June to 9 June. Mega Saffron Convention to decide the roadmap for Lok Sabha poll and discuss on NDA Prime Ministerial candidate. BJP heavyweights from Modi to Advani to be in Goa. Beef prices worsen. Meat complex says we will import meat. Traders refuse to accept this initiatives. Demand import of eligible animals for slaughtering. Politician busy in slugfest. Defence Minister A.K. Anthony commissions MiG 29, strengthens Navy on its 60th anniversary, sympathises with the family of Coast Guard trawler accident victim families, avoids commenting on Daboli issue. And Goa Mining People's Front says Union Finance Minister P. Chidambaram ready to help mining ban affected in Goa, but expects first move from state government with a proper plea. Now the news in detail. Government has not yet taken any decision on pass system or concession for passenger buses and essential commodities transport. The transporters have decided to go ahead with their strike from Sunday midnight. PWD Minister Sudin Dhavrikar says that the file regarding passes and concession is already with the CM. He feels that the strike will affect the transporters most and Goans will not feel any pinch of it. For now, the deadlock continues.
अजूनपासून काय झाले ना आम्ही फाईल फायनान्सात धाडलेली आसा आफ्टर क्लियरन्स ऑफ द फायनल नोटिफिकेशन येतले
पूण फाल्याच्यान नंतर स्ट्रायक आसा
ते त्या स्ट्रायकांनी आमकां कांय मोठेशें हें ना ताचो परिणाम आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांचेर कांय जावचो ना
इवन ट्रान्सपोर्ट सर बसी बीन
ना कांय जावचो ना
सगळ्यांनी आतां ठरयल्लें आहा सगळे हांव एकटोच न्ही सगळे इनवॉल्व आसा भितर सगळ्यांक प्रॉब्लेम आसा हे अननेसेसरी एंट्री टॅक्स वाडयला आनी टॅक्सूय वाडयला किंवा अननेसेसरी बर्डन आमचें एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन आमकां हें आतां कशें सर्व जातलें आमचें सगळें म्हणून सगळ्यांनी मेळून हो स्ट्रायक डिक्लेअर केल्लो बुकींग आतां आमी फाल्यां बुकींग बंद दवरतले फाल्यां पळय सगळें ऑफिस वोटरी फाल्यां आमचो देव फाल्यां आमचो हें आसा फाल्यां आयतार आसा आयतार आमचें बुकींग जालो आहा अशें हांवें पेपरान वाचलें पूण अजून कांय कन्फर्म जालें ना तेजें तरी पण ते पास दिले तरी म्हाका एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन जालें न्ही आमकां की एंट्री टॅक्स तो एक्चुअली नाशिल्लो आतां फर्स्ट टायम इम्प्लिमेंट केला अजून काय डिसायड ना कितें दिसता तें पूण हें फाल्यां मिडनायटच्यान स्ट्रायक हो डिक्लेअर केल्ले ऑलरेडी
फाल्यांच्यान आमच्या गोंयच्यान नाल्यार मुंबयच्यान एकू बसी वयची
ना
Bharatiya Janata Party will host its high-profile national executive meeting in Goa from 7 June to 9 June. This mega saffron gathering will be attended by around 250 BJP delegates. National executive has gained a significance as this will be the last conclave before 2014 Lok Sabha polls. Similarly, this mega meeting may discuss Prime Ministerial candidate of the NDA. Sushma Swaraj, Arun Jaitley, Rajnath Singh, Narendra Modi and other BJP chief ministers and leaders of oppositions will participate in the meet.
General Secretary of the state BJP Advocate Narendra Sawaikar said that party will host its national executive meeting in Goa from 7 June to 9 June. But Sawaikar did not disclose the venue of this three-day convention.
7, 8 आणि 9 जून नॅशनल एक्झिक्युटिव्ह जातली गोंया 7, 8 नॉट फॉर्मड अप जून 7, 8 आणि 9 250 लोक.
Sources informed that this national executive has gained more importance and mileage as it would be the last mega saffron gathering before the Lok Sabha poll 2014. This convention may decide on the NDA prime ministerial candidate. There is a specific agenda behind hosting the national executive in Goa. State BJP swept assembly poll in 2012 by a simple majority in a state having a large number of minority population. BJP wants to use this opportunity to wipe out the communal tag behind its name. This high-profile national executive will be attended by Rajnath Singh, BJP National President, L.K. Advani, Senior BJP Leader, Sushma Swaraj, Opposition Leader in Lok Sabha, Arun Jaitley, Opposition Leader in Rajya Sabha, Narendra Modi, Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Raman Singh, Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, and opposition leaders from other states and state presidents of the BJP. Our reporter Mahesh Gadi with Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Will beef crisis end on Monday as claimed by the chairman of Goa Meat Complex? Seems like it's not happening. Reason is, no concrete solution has been arrived at regarding the main problem, that is unavailability of eligible animals. Meat traders and chairman of Goa Meat Complex held a meeting with Chief Minister on Saturday. According to the sources, government is planning to import beef from other states, but meat traders are not ready to accept this beef. Meanwhile, political slugfest on the issue continues in the state.
I can confidently tell you today that we will start slaughtering in the next 3 days. I am telling you on the basis of the meetings I have held with all stakeholders of this industry.
To start the Goa Meat Complex, we have to import the animal, and the animal should be coming from the neighboring state. Then only the Goa Meat Complex will run. Otherwise, without remove the ban from the state, border state, the Goa Meat Complex will not run.
A group of meat traders met Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar at his residence and requested intervention in the matter.
The CM and the chairman will take the necessary action and the solution for that, for getting the imported animal from the neighboring state.
But Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar preferred to put the ball in the High Court.
In consultation with all those who had demanded about stakeholders, those who are suffering because of the shortage. They have taken the advocate as per their recommendation. They are going to the court. So let court decide.
In the evening, chairman of Goa Meat Complex and Chief Minister held a meeting and decided to import beef.
Within next 3 days, beef is available. I stand by what I have said yesterday.
But you are going to import beef or animal?
For a beef eater, he wants beef. Within 3 days, I will make sure there is no shortage of beef in the state of Goa. Like I will do it within the legal parameters and in accordance with the High Court directives.
Congress MP Francisco Sardina also demanded that government should import beef to end shortage.
Make a move to bring meat from outside. If you cannot slaughter, if Muhammad cannot go to the mountain, then mountain has to be brought to Muhammad. But you cannot tell people, oh, there is no beef, so you don't eat now.
But President of Meat Traders Association Anwar Bepari said that they will not allow imported beef to be sold.
Importing beef, that is it is a cold meat. We sell only fresh meat. Our customers are only dealing with a fresh meat. Because no one will buy imported, because what happens, we hang the fresh beef in the shop and sell. Eating the cold meat is the problem. We cannot hang the cold meat. It will get spoiled fast. Customers are there, they don't prefer the cold meat. They prefer only the fresh meat. Only the fresh meat customers come to us.
If the government imports beef, you trader, nobody will accept that beef.
No, we will not accept the imported beef. We want the fresh meat. We want that the Goa Meat Complex should run.
Showing consent with the meat traders for the first time, petitioners in this matter, Hanuman Parab, also said that imported beef will not be hygienic, as he had exposed sale of rotten imported beef.
हायजेनिक आसतले हेची गॅरंटी कोण घेतलो कित्याक आमकां खबर आसा आमी इयर 2010 आमी जेन्ना रेटिंग केल्लें मोले हांगासर त्या वेळासर तेन्ना जे मीठ येताले ते गनी बॅग्सान आसले प्लास्टिकान आसले.
Meanwhile, Congress MLA Alex Reginald has demanded an FIR to be filed against the chairman of Goa Meat Complex and demanded his suspension. There is no clear picture on this issue as of now, and day by day the issue of beef and Goa Meat Complex is becoming more complex.
2 doctors have been, FIR has been filed against them. Why FIR is not filed against the chairman? BJP at the center is asking for removal of the ministers. Why 2 doctors have been made scapegoats?
With Mukesh Kumar, video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.